So, how many weeks later? I'm not sure how many weeks it's been since I started this project, and I couldn't put this in. And after I couldn't put this in, I just gave up because I was not about to be stressing about it. So now we're gonna do this one as well. I don't even know where I was, babe.
Page 1.
Step 1, that's where I was. It's coming along. So we actually done assembling. Whew. So this is it, and I'm gonna stuff my shoes in here. I'm gonna put my shades here. It's just gonna be lovely. It's just gonna be lovely. One thing at a time. So now I need to buy furniture for outside, and for the guest bedroom, finally I'm gonna buy a bed. And I need to also buy, I think I'm gonna get a day bed for the office room and a office desk. That's what I've decided to do. Get a day bed and an office desk for the office room. But for now, yeah, like things are coming together. We've got a dining set, and now we make the guest bedroom. I'm excited, guys. Let me pack. And can you guys help? Because look at my sneakers. My sneakers are so dirty. I don't know how to clean sneakers. Like, what can I use to clean my sneakers? So I just put them, I usually just put them in the laundry, but that's not good for them. Because look at how they look. Anyways, we have done that. Now we just need to put lights. I'm gonna move. See, all my shoes are just scattered here. So I'm gonna move my sneakers. I'm gonna move everything, and I'm gonna pack. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. Cabinet is done. So I'll put. Actually, let me first show you inside. It's filled up. Sneakers up here. The sneakers are heavy. Then now out here was not full. Then I've got my ankle boots and a pair of heels. Other boots don't fit. And I've got sandals here. I'm so happy with this. Some more sandals and open shoes. And I want to show you guys the bedroom. So babe just connected the light. It automatically switches off when you close. So when you open the mirror, guys, I can't wait to finish furnishing this whole place. Then the light goes on. So yeah, so now I am going to get shades, and I'm going to put shades on that place there. I'm going to buy some flowers for the place. I'm not sure if I should put the shades with the case, but some of the shades don't have cases. So guys, I am going to put the ones with the cases out with the cases. I'm not sure. Should that place be like where I put my doll heads with my hair? But people are going to be very scared. Like, they're going to be like, what is happening in this house if we do that? But I'll showcase my shades. Like here, I'll just put pack of shades. So that's the idea. I'll just put different shades there. But I think I will get them out of the cases. I don't know, but then where do I put the cases if I get them out of the cases? It's just a dilemma. Anyways, guys, so now I'm going to go downstairs. We're going to watch a movie. We're going to chill and we're going to sleep. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Not sure what the next one is going to be. Either going to be about shopping for the bed and getting the bed done. I don't know. Whatever comes first. What's wrong, babe? Huh? Okay. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.